If you're following African politics, then you need to hear this. Zambia's president is skipping a major summit in Zimbabwe. Zambia and Zimbabwe are currently embroiled in a diplomatic standoff. Zambian President Hakainde Hichilema has decided to skip the Southern African Development Community Summit in Harare. The reason? Safety concerns, following a controversial report by SADC on Zimbabwe's election transparency. Zimbabwe's president, Emmerson Mnangagwa, has accused Zambia of meddling in its election. And in a twist, claimed to Russian President Putin that Zambia hosts US military bases. This has only fueled the fire, with Zimbabwean officials calling Hichilema a Western lackey. Zambia isn't taking these accusations lightly. They've appealed to the African Union and SADC for mediation. Foreign Affairs Minister Mulambo Haimbe has condemned Mnangagwa's comments, insisting on Zambia's peaceful intentions and historical support for Zimbabwe. Despite the rising tension, Zambia remains committed to fostering positive relations. Stay tuned as this story develops.